And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a diffraction pattern. It's hard to explain, but it's easy to understand. It's going to be rendered on our layer, so if you need a different layer, just create a new one by clicking on this icon. Let me rename it. It doesn't matter if it's white, it's going to be overwritten anyway. Make sure it's selected, go to Filters, Render Pattern, and there's this option, Diffraction Patterns. Check the preview, and this is what you should get by default. And you can adjust RGB, so red, green, blue. And you can adjust its frequencies, contours, sharp edges. And the best way to find out what that is to just try. You can see if I increase the frequencies, we'll get more of these dots. With the contours, just watch what happens if I adjust red and green. So depending on the frequency, we'll get more intense smaller dots for the red ones or more intense bigger ones for the green ones. Sharp edges, let's check the green ones first, so they get blurred out if we go down and intensify if we go up. Same goes for the red ones, so these smaller dots. And we've got other options on top, which is brightness, scattering and polarization. And these options, they adjust how these cells get blurred into one another or how bright they are. So with the first options, you'll adjust the pattern of the RGB, and these other options are for blending them into one another and creating these effects. Let me use something like this and I'll confirm it via OK. It might take some time to get processed. And here's our result rendered on our new layer. And this is how you can create such a diffraction pattern in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.